Cocomelon is one of the most popular children's YouTube channels that features nursery rhymes and educational songs with 3D animation. Kids love Cocomelon because it is fun, catchy, and engaging. It also introduces them to different characters such as Baby JJ, Tom Tom, Yo Yo, Cody, and Naina. A cocomelon cake is a great way to celebrate your child's love for this charming channel and its songs. If you are looking for the best cocomelon cake ideas for your kid's birthday party, you have come to the right place. In this video, we have compiled custom cakes that will make your kids' day extra special. If you like the video, please like and share. Love seeing more updates. Consider subscribing Little Studio.